Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how blush placement can change your look completely. Leave me in the comments what you think and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. For today's look, I'm going to use a cream blush. It doesn't really matter which color you choose or what kind. You can use a powder blush, a cream blush, a pressed one, a baked one. It's the same. We're just going to talk about placement and how that can change the way your look looks. To apply cream blushes, I always like to use my fingers or a brush like this one that is dual fiber. If I'm going to use a brush, I prefer to use something like this that is very small because a brush like this one that is meant to be for blush, I just think it's too big for me. I'm going to start with this side of the face, and in this side we're going to apply the blush right here in the high point of the cheek to show you how this can make your face look a little bit more youthful and cute, but that means rounded. If you have a round face, I would suggest that you don't use this. There's not a really right or wrong way to apply the blush. It's just simply going to create a different look. I don't really have very high cheekbones, to be honest. So what I do is I do this kind of face, and that's where I know. There's not really a right or wrong way to apply your blush. This video is just to show you how different blush placements can change your look, and you can use this in your makeups to create different illusions. This is the first application. See how this makes you look a little bit more cute and like a doll, and it looks pretty, but especially for me that I have more like a square rounder shape, this is fine, but it accentuates that round shape instead of lifting my face up. For the second application, I'm going to apply the blush here, like in the higher points of the cheeks, kind of like a highlighter, even just mixing everything. And I'm going to stop like 2 fingers away from my nose. I don't want to go anywhere near. See how in this side, I kind of like went almost into the nose just because I was applying it in the front. Well, I'm not going to do that in this side. I'm just going to keep it very high and going towards my temple. Hopefully you can see how in this side the blush is going to lift my face and is going to create that illusion of a cat eye or like a more foxy, sexy look, whereas in this one is more cute and youthful and like a girl, and this one is more like wow. Leave me in the comments what you think and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!